How to apply for promo codes on Walgreens. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily enter promo codes on the Walgreens app or website. So let's just get right into it without any further ado. First thing you have to do is go ahead and open up your web browser and then simply tap on the search bar to search for Walgreens. Hit enter. Click on the first link that you see. Now from here, you can add different items to your cart. So you can just scroll down here, find an item. So let's just continue with this. And then from here, click on any one of the items and then click on add to cart. Once you've added the item to your cart, you can select if you want to pick up or if you want the same delivery. So let's just select same day delivery and enter your address. Once you have done that, you can just close it out and find your cart. So click on View Cart or tap on the cart icon at the top right corner. Once you view your cart, you'll find all of your items here. So you can increase the quantity as well if you want. If not, you could just go ahead and scroll down. Here you'll get a field to enter promo codes. So if you have any valid promo codes, just enter it here and the promo code will apply it instantly. You'll get certain percent off and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.